With me here today is self-proclaimed helicopter engineer, 30-year-old Hendrick Chebanga, who built a helicopter in this very yard in Hammanskraal, north of Pretoria. Hendrick, thank you so much for joining us. Tell us what inspired you to build the helicopter.
Because I love engineering, that's why I made this helicopter.
And is there any skill that you would like to further improve?
Yeah, if I get someone who help me with finance to finish my engineering studies, I will be very thankful for that.
All I can say is that the sky is only the beginning for this gentleman. Noxolo Sibia, Hammanskraal, north of Pretoria.